How to fix Fate trigger crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game or the game demo, and then go to properties and then installed files, and click on verify the integrity of game files, and then wait for this process to finish. It should take a while. Once it's done, you want to click on the browse button, and then right click on the game's exe file and click on properties, and then go to compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Then click on apply and OK, and then close this and go to the general tab, and under launch options you want to add -dx11 like this, and then you can close this window. Now before trying to launch the game again, you want to make sure that you have the latest GPU update installed. So for NVIDIA it's GeForce Game Ready driver. You can check for updates and install the latest version, and it should prompt you to restart your computer. Now once you restart your computer, you will simply open up Steam and launch the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.